Defense Department, military Defense Department, to ban beer and pizza. Well,
Pizza?
pizza and beer banned for the soldiers. It's a proposal. It's not real. It's not real yet. It's a proposal for the military, the Defense Department, to all go keto. And look, they love the pizza. Who doesn't love pizza, Will? Man, that's rough. Apparently, they did the nutritional experts did the background here. They did the research, and they realized that there's advantages to having these guys on a strictly keto diet. If you don't know what that is, that's basically like no carbs. It's like fats and vegetables. That's about it. Meat and vegetables. Particularly, what's interesting in this article is the individual who's proposing the idea suggests that they can hold their breath longer underwater on a keto diet. How crazy is that? That like the
science?
way, science, the way your body oxygenates could be influenced by if you're in ketosis, which is the state the body goes into on certain food supply in the absence of carbs and particularly pizza. Now, apparently, do you know what MREs are, Will? I'm sure you've seen these on YouTube. People do these.
Yeah, meal ready to eat.
Yeah, exactly. So in the military, it's popular, it's important.
Right.
And often these guys are in tough situations, right? It's pretty grim. So getting to the MRE, one of the popular MREs being pizza, is like that's the one upside. Like at least I get the pizza MRE. And I don't have to just eat broccoli and coconut oil, you know? So, but they're saying, hey, that the military performance would go up if they were, I don't know if that's necessarily the case. It might just be more grim to participate. I don't know where I stand. I think these guys should have certain agency over their own diet. Because one of the issues with this proposal is that it's not just the food you're eating while you're in active duty. In order to remain in ketosis, you got to be on that diet 24/7, even when you're not on duty.
Because of ketosis.
Because of this state of ketosis. Yeah. So it's like, should they be really reaching into your life, into your weekend barbecue, Will? Or your late night pizza order?
Yeah, I mean, I feel like being in the Army, it's tough as it is. You know, you got to have some luxuries, and I think that's part of it is food. And not indulging in something like pizza, oh man, that's tough.
It's rough. Now, apparently, according to this proposal, there are other advantages. Fats weigh less to carry around, more calories in smaller packages, so they could become more efficient at distributing these food rations to the military because of that as well. They're trying to make the case. I don't know that it's going to happen. I don't think I see it happening, but it's a proposal at the moment. Maybe this is where we can ask the people to weigh in. What do you think? Keto diet for the soldiers or a little bit of pizza here and there? You guys decide.